Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2015 GMC Sierra half-ton SLE Carbon-20 edition. On the front end of the vehicle we have HID headlights with LED daytime running lights as well as aftermarket black housing HID fog lights. Under the hood sits a 5.3-liter V8 engine that produces 355 horsepower and 383 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped is an aftermarket 6-inch lift kit as well as color-matched fender flares and 20-inch fuel wheels. We also have heated power-adjustable mirrors. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as an easy lift and lower tailgate and trailer hitch receiver. This SLE has a towing capacity of up to 9,200 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have our automatic headlight controls as well as our automatic four-wheel drive controls. This Sierra is also equipped with a heated leather front bench seat with a power-adjustable driver's seat and OEM all-weather floor mats. On the vehicle's steering wheel, we have our cruise control buttons as well as Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's backup camera and SiriusXM radio. Equipped for comfort are dual-zone climate controls. And on the vehicle's key fob, we have remote start and entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our 60/40 split folding rear bench seat.